Hello student, today we are going to discuss the difference between alpha, beta and gamma particles. The most important topic of nuclear chemistry is to difference between alpha, beta and gamma radiation. Any radioactive nuclei, unstable nuclei is converted into stable nuclei by emitting alpha, beta and gamma particle. So here today we differentiate the difference between alpha, beta and gamma particle. So alpha particle is identical to the helium nucleus. It has a 2 proton and 2 neutron. So its nucleus is identical with helium nucleus, having atomic number 2 and atomic mass is 4. Similarly, beta particle is a high speed electron having a minus electron charge -1, and we can represent as -1 E0 or -1 beta 0. And gamma particle is a photon that carries energy in the form of electromagnetic waves, and it can be represented by gamma 00. Alpha particle having a positively charged particle due to 2 proton in the nucleus. Beta particle is negatively charged particle, and gamma particle having a no any charge particle. During the alpha decay, atomic number of the element reduced by 2 units when particle is released. Here we can understand with the help of example. Uranium, when converted into by emitting alpha decay and converted into thorium, the atomic number is decreases by 2 unit and atomic mass is decreases by 4 unit by emitting of alpha nuclei, alpha particle. And new daughter element having a 2 unit atomic number shifted left hand side in the periodic table, and both the side atomic number and atomic mass remain same. Here 92, here 90 plus 2, here 238 and 234 plus 4 means 238. And in a beta decay, atomic number of the element increased by 1 unit when particle is released. This also can be explained by when iodine nuclei having atomic number 53 and atomic mass is 231 is after decay of beta particle, the daughter nuclei having atomic number 54 and atomic mass is 231. Here atomic mass remain constant but atomic number increased by 1 unit. That means 1 unit shifted right hand side in the periodic table. A new parent, new daughter nuclei having atomic increase the atomic number 1. But in gamma radiation there is no change in the atomic number and atomic mass, because gamma particle having no any type of charge here. In the alpha decay, emission change the chemical element. Here parent element is uranium but daughter element is thorium. That means change in the chemical element. Same as in beta emission, parent nuclei is iodine but daughter nuclei is helium after beta decay. That means after emission the chemical constitute will be changed, iodine converted into xenon. But here gamma emission there is no change in the chemical element. Here parent nuclei is uranium and after the radiation of gamma radiation the daughter nuclei is also uranium. So there is no change in the chemical element. It has a least penetrating power. Alpha particle is heavy, so it has a least penetrating power, and this rays can be stopped by only paper. Beta particle having a moderate penetrating power, more than alpha particle but less than gamma particle, and it can be stopped by aluminum foil. Whereas gamma particle is highly energetic and it can be stopped by very thick cement or having with a lead element. Alpha particle having a positive charge because of 2 proton, so it can be attracted by electrical and magnetic field. And beta particle having a -1 charge, so it is also attracted by electrical and magnetic field. Whereas gamma particle having no any charge, so it cannot be attracted by electrical and magnetic field. Alpha particle having a high charge, So it can ionize many other atom. Beta particle having a less charge than alpha particle, so it can ionize other atom but not good as alpha particle. And gamma particle having least ability to ionize the other matter because of no any charge on the radiation. Alpha particle, due to heavy weight, the speed range from 1 by 10 to 1 by 20 times the speed of light. We know that the speed of light is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. So speed of this compared to gamma particle is very less. Beta particle having a speed almost equal to speed of light, 9 by time times the speed of light. And gamma particle having a the travel with speed light 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. So this is the difference between alpha, beta and gamma particle. Here we can do the one practice of the previous year GATE 2019 question. In this paper the question was asked like that, very easy question, and this question we can solve with the help of this difference. The question was the total number of alpha and beta particle emitted in the following radioactive decay. That means the reaction was given: uranium having atomic number 92 and atomic mass is 238 is converted into Pb having atomic number 82 and atomic mass is 210. So during this emission, how many total number of alpha and beta particle is emitted? So we can easily solve this. We know that alpha particle is helium nucleus having atomic number 2 and atomic mass is 4, and beta particle is -1 charge and having no mass. Suppose in this reaction x number of helium alpha particle is decay and y number of beta particle is decay, and from this reaction we get two equation from atomic mass and atomic number. So first equation from atomic mass, 238 is equal to 210 is equal to 4x. So 238 is equal to, left hand side is equal to right hand side, 238 is equal to 210 plus 4x plus y into 0, that means 0. So if we solve this equation, 238 minus 210 is equal to 4x, here y into 0 is equal to 0. So if we solve this, here we get 28 is equal to 4x, so x is equal to 7. So that means 7 alpha particle is emitted. Now we can solve the how many number of beta particle is emitted. So from another equation from atomic number, here left hand side is equal to 92 is equal to right hand side 82, 2 into x plus y into -1. So if we solve this, 92 minus 82 is equal to 2, and the value of x we can put from here. So 2 into 7 minus y, and if we solve this we get the y is equal to 4, that means 4 beta particle is emitted. But here question was asked is the total number of alpha particle, that means 7 alpha and 4 beta. So answer is 7 plus 4 is 11. So here separately not ask how many alpha and how many beta particle was asked. Here total number of particle is emitted. Sometime question was asked in MCQ type exam, how many alpha and beta particle is emitted. So answer is 7 alpha and 4 beta, but here the total number, so total means 7 plus 4, the answer was 11. Thank you.